Hey YouTube land, so 2019's here, Happy New Year and all that. I've had a little bit of a rest over Christmas, so last year with all the drawings and then this year learning to film. I'm going to go and get out for the afternoon. I'm going to go and check out a local waterfall that I didn't even know existed. Let's go! Literally can't believe I've never been here before. I've only just heard about it like in the past, week? Really bizarre. So it came down like a 500 metre path that's like clearly not accessible by a car, even though there's some houses down there. Over a little bridge, over some rocks and whatever, and yeah, I don't know how much further it is, but it's kind of cool. Not convinced I have the right footwear, even though I've got walking shoes, it's still a bit slippery. Anyway, nice to be out. Let's go and see what else I can see. Well, I found it. It's pretty cool. Got to admit, like a basin, waterfall. Apparently there's a smaller one further down, so I may go and see that. But yeah, I think it's definitely worth looking at the camera equipment down here and doing some filming later in the summer when it's warmer. But yeah, absolutely. There's no real dirt or anything like that down here, so it's kind of a cool place. Definitely very, very picturesque. I don't even think it was Bradford, but yeah, awesome. Where next then? Back, I suppose. Not looking forward to that. Well, there we go then. Yeah, I'm going to come back here, and this is going to be one of the places that I talk about in the documentary I'm making. Cool. So if you want to come along, figure out what I'm doing, see where I go and stuff, be sure to subscribe down below, that little bell icon. Also good if you want to press it. Yeah, comment, hit me up. Give me some ideas of where might be good in Bradford. I'm not talking about the city centre or anywhere like that. I'm not bothered about like all the politics that goes on and all the race stuff. I just want to go and see places in Bradford that's got to have a BD postcode. That are genuinely really nice, pleasant places to visit that I just make living here awesome. I enjoy it. So yeah, anyway, so yeah, hit me up in the comments if you've got any suggestions there, and I'll catch you later. See ya.